took a flight for the paddock. Used to be oh so dramatic, I guess. Anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel I took a chance and you grabbed it. You said don't worry.
Hey girl, hey. My name is Kelsey Ray, a procrastinator. I am procrastinating because I am not ready to give up my 3-week-old silk press. Yes, you heard it here first. 3-week-old silk press. I don't usually keep my silk presses in this long, but I did go get it done and I wasn't finished, okay? I was feeling the breeze outside. I was loving the sun on my skin and I said, hey, why not do a perm rod set that screams spring? Bouncy, curly, girly curls. I love that. So instead of transitioning my hair from straight to curly the normal way, I transitioned my hair with perm rods. And today that is what I'm going to be doing. I did a perm rod set on my partially straight, mostly straight hair. And I love the way it turned out. This is me trying to get back into the swing of things. I haven't done a perm rod set in so long. And I literally was like, okay, clearly, I need some more mousse to make it mold to how I need it to be. But once I got to it, I was like, bet, let's get the ball rolling because I want my hair to look so pretty. I also felt like my flat iron was getting crunchy on the ends. When I was taking my showers, I wasn't protecting my hair good from the water. So some parts of my hair got wet. So it was like curly and straight at the same time. And I was just like, all right, bet, let's just do this. Do a cute perm rod set. It's going to be bouncy and flowy and curly, and you can transition that way. So this is me literally putting my perm rods in. This is not a tutorial because y'all, I needed to look at a tutorial to see how to do this my doggone self. LOL. My hair has been, going through a growth spurt. I've been enjoying watching it grow, but I realized that if I be consistent with my hair, but really with everything in my life, I'll see better results, period. So me doing my hair was really like therapeutic for me to say like, okay, Kelsey, it's time. You want to see your hair down your back? Let's get in the field. Let's be consistent. Let's nurture our hair. Let's nurture things in our life as well. And it's not just hair. It's about everything because I realized that I'm not giving a consistent girly. And I don't really want to be that. Yes, it's not January 1st and it's not the time to do a New Year's resolution and yada, yada, yada. But something about the spring screams refreshing. Let's start something. Let's begin a journey. Like something about it just makes me feel like, okay, this is the perfect time. And this is me coming on the record, making sure I hold myself accountable and being consistent. I want to be consistent here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is I want to put my mind to. I just want to be consistent. So if that message was for you, let's lock in, girlies. Let's do what we got to do. And let's just see some results. Consistency comes with results. And the more you do something, the more you'll see something shake. Period. It's crunchy, y'all. Wow, I'm so surprised. Okay, Kels, I see you. But y'all, this perm rod set was amazing. I only used the Dew Mousse. That's the only product I used because I didn't want my curls to revert back. I just wanted it to mold to the perm rod, and that's definitely what it did. The curls is popping, bouncing. It's doing exactly what I wanted to do. Oh my God. But I just also only used that one product and I could not believe the cast that it left. I used this product multiple times, as y'all saw, but I've never used it alone. And when I took these perm rods down, I was thoroughly surprised at the cast that it left. I guess I wasn't even expecting a cast. All because every time I use this mousse, it's always in conjunction with a gel. So when I took these out, I was low-key flabbergasted. I'm used to the Nairobi foam, but this is top tier. I love a one product show, and this was definitely a one product show. I took my hair down and I made sure I took my time in the front because I want my curls to lay a certain weight in the front of my hair, and that's me taking my time, laying it the way I needed to lay or twirling it around my finger the way I needed to twirl, not creating no frizz and no awkward curls going the wrong way. But yeah, y'all, I loved it. I feel so happy and girly and springy. And honestly, it does feel good when you have your hair done. And this hairstyle gave done up. For some reason, it gave done up. It gives put together. That's how it's making me feel, put together. I'm up here like literally using this as therapy because everything in life to me is low-key therapy. Am I preaching or what? As I get up in age, I just find the beauty in everything. I try to find the lesson in everything, and even down to hair. It's just like, dang, if I be consistent with my hair, just imagine where it would be. If I be consistent with the things that I want in my life, just imagine where I would be. So like, I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Cause what? And y'all can't tell me these curls is not popping. Y'all can do this hairstyle on soaking wet hair if you want, or dry hair, or blow dried hair, or even old flat iron hair, and it'll still come out really, really bomb. This hairstyle in particular always gave me like grandma, but I'm starting to embrace it, and I'm starting to enjoy the way it looks, because I feel like growing up as a black girl, we never really enjoyed our natural hair. And as we got older, we started doing all kind of things, getting perms, getting weave, whatever the case may be. And I know that our natural hair makes us look young, but I feel like we still should embrace it. And so even though this particular hairstyle to me gives grandma, I still want to embrace it, because it's no way my hair looks this good. Like, it looks amazing. It looks healthy. It looks full. It looks shiny. And that's all of the characteristics I would like in a hair, period. Like, literally. So I enjoy my hairstyle. I am picking it out, making sure that I get the volume that I want. And it's all about shaking it, picking it out, making sure that it's fluffy and full. And it'll be really, really cute. And as this hairstyle ages, it'll get even cuter. Like, I'm excited to see the next couple of days in this hairstyle. But let me know in the comments below if you guys feel like this is the season for perm rods. Have you ever done a perm rod set? Do you like perm rod sets? I do. I wanted this to be a flexi rod set, but I actually didn't have enough flexi rods to complete my whole head. But I did have enough perm rods, and I said, might as well. Let's stop running away from the perm rods or the granny hairstyles, and let's get into it. And that is me getting into it. I'm in this video right now, like, making sure I like it, like, looking at myself, just trying to see and embrace what I have. This is the hair on my head, and I just need to love it, cherish it, and do whatever needs to be done to feel confident in the hair that I have on my head. It's literally growing out of my scalp. Period. But yes, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am ranting up a storm, and I'm so sorry if I bored you, lol. I am ranting up a storm, and yeah, I just wanted to come on here and encourage somebody, but also encourage myself as well. Like I said, this is not a tutorial, so this is not me teaching you, but there is tutorials if you need some, lol. And I think I've done a tutorial on my page years ago, because I really don't do this hairstyle. But now that I've done it, I think I'm gonna keep doing it more often, because I just like the way it look on me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.